Falcon Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Falcon Wallet app is making waves as a fast, secure, and decentralized way to manage digital assets. But is it truly the next generation crypto wallet it claims to be, or just another player in an already crowded market? Most people get this wrong, but here's the surprising truth about Falcon Wallet. Let's start with the pros. Falcon Wallet stands out for its multi-chain support. It allows users to store and manage assets across multiple blockchains including Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and even newer ecosystems like Flow and Avalanche. This makes it a convenient all-in-one hub for crypto users who hate switching between wallets. Another major advantage is its decentralized architecture. Falcon Wallet is fully non-custodial, meaning you have complete control over private keys. No middlemen, no third-party custody your funds, your responsibility. The interface is another strong point. Falcon's design is modern, sleek, and user-friendly, perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. It even integrates directly with DeFi and platforms, letting users connect, stake, and trade directly from the app. Security-wise, Falcon uses advanced encryption and biometric authentication. Combined with open-source code that can be publicly audited, it's designed for transparency and trust. Now for the cons. The first is limited customer support. Like many decentralized wallets, if you lose your private keys, there is no recovery process. That can be intimidating for new users. Another downside is that transaction speeds depend on the network you're using. If Ethereum is congested, Falcon can feel slow. Finally, while Falcon supports multiple blockchains, it still lacks full integration with some smaller networks, so compatibility may vary. In conclusion, the Falcon Wallet app is a powerful, versatile option for users who want complete control and broad blockchain access in one place. The surprising truth? It's one of the few wallets that combines security, usability, and decentralization without compromise, as long as you're confident managing your own keys.